To record videos on your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, all you have to do is, while wearing them, press and hold this button on the top of the right hand side, this one right here. So you want to press and hold for 1 or 2 seconds, and then when you see that light blinking like that, it means the glasses are currently recording whatever it sees in front of it. So the camera is right here on the left hand side, and this is basically the sensor, the light ambient sensor, for just showing you this LED light that it's recording and to know the current lighting situation. Once you're done, you want to press once, and that video is gonna be saved on the glasses. And immediately in the Meta AI app, right below your glasses, you will see the option to import. Now, if you tap on that, your glasses create a temporary Wi-Fi network, which you have to join with your phone. And then once they get connected, the glasses will transfer the video to the phone. So there's a transfer happening, import. So it's going to import all the unimported videos and photos. So here's our video. You can play it back, and it's currently playing via the speakers of the phone. So that is basically how to record video on your Meta AI glasses. Thanks for watching and good luck.